Solve for the value of W. Well, again, it's helpful if we can identify what we are, what kind of angles we are working with. And we've got this angle and this angle, and they are two adjacent angles that combine to be, or add to be, 180 degrees, which are also known as a linear pair. So if we can identify the type of angle that we're working with, it makes it a little bit easier, not a lot easier, and for some people math is never easy, but a little bit easier to solve the problem. If we take the 4W minus 8 plus the 3W plus the 6, and we set it equal to 180, we're going to combine like terms, and we get 7W minus 2 equals 180. We can add 2 to both sides, and we get 7W equals 182. And then we can divide both sides by 7. Use Desmos, use a calculator to come up with that. And it is 26. If we look at letter M, again, we need to be familiar with what this symbol of this box means. But that symbol in that box means that it's 90 degrees. If we take all three angles and add them up, what we see is we form a straight angle. And that's going to help us figure out what the value of M is, because we have 4M plus 6 plus 90 plus 5M plus 3, and again that adds to be the straight angle. There's other ways to do this problem, so your geometry teacher may do it differently from the way I do it, but I'm going to stick with my method there. If we take all three of these angles and we add them up, we end up with a straight angle. We can start by combining like terms, and we get 9M. We also have 6 plus 90 plus 3 that are like terms, which gives us 99 equals 180. If we subtract 99 from both sides, we get 9M equals 10 minus 9 is 1, and we get 81, and then we can divide both sides by 9 to end up with our M equals 9.